Good morning, children. I hope all of you are doing fine. Today, we have Jack in our class. I know all of you are happy to see Jack. Jack, we are all happy to see you. But why did you come to the class? Okay, he has come to learn rounding of decimals. Okay, all our children also want to learn how to round the decimal to the whole number. So I want you to sit quietly in the class and listen to rounding of decimals to the whole number. So children, today we will be learning rounding of decimals to the whole number. Rounding of decimals to the whole number. Okay. Now, can you think of a number with a decimal place? Can you think? Okay. 7.48. Okay. For this, we have to check the tens place. If the tens place is between 0 to 4, then this ones place will remain the same. Okay. One more example I will give you. 3.27. So as I told you, if the tens place is between 0 and 4, or if it is less than 5. So here the tens place is less than 5. So what will be there? So the 3 will remain as it is. Okay, one more number. 4.38. So check the tens place. You have to always check the tens place. So this number will remain as it is. So the answer is 4. One more we will see. If the number is 28.36, check the tens place, 37. If the number is 28.37, check the tens place. Okay. So this number will remain the same. Okay, children? Now, if the number is 5 or more than 5, so if it is more than 5, so between 5 and 9. So let's see some numbers. The decimal place and the tens place. 32.56. So check the tens place. 5. I told you if it is 5 and more than 5, what will happen? Here we will have to add 1. So it will be 33. Understood, children? Okay. One more number we will take. 48.65. So check the tens place. So what will be the whole number? 4, and this we will add 1. So it will be 49. 48.65 will be written as 49. Okay. 2.83. When we want to make it as a whole number, 8. Check the tens place. So it is more than 5. So we will add one number. So 2.83 will be written as 3. Okay, children. Now you have understood when it is between 0 and 4, the place doesn't change. But when it is 5 or more than 5, the place will change. One digit, it will go forward and we can make it as a whole number. So let's see one more example of the numbers. 2.83. It is more than 5. I told you that when the number is more than 5, 5 or more than 5. So the number can be written as 3. So the decimal was 2.83. It can be written as a whole number 3. It can be written as a whole number 3. Okay. Let's see one more example. 4.86. 3, 1. So here check the tens place. So it will remain the same. 4.68. Check the tens place. Okay, it will remain as 5. So I hope you have understood this concept of rounding of decimals to the whole number. So Jack, we have understood this concept of rounding of decimals to the whole number. So how do we round the numbers? We have to only look at the tens place and check if it is 0 and 4, or is it more than is 5 or more than 5. Then we can round it to the whole number. I hope children you have understood this concept, and if you have not yet understood this concept of rounding of decimals, you can ask me in the class. Okay children, bye bye. Have a nice day children, and bye from Jack also. Bye Jack. Come next time to our class to listen to another session where we will be learning some other new math concept. Till then, bye.